I'm making some simple pillow cushions, and I just want to tell you how to deal with corners when you're done. If you're going to be turning something inside out, like this is sewed with the right sides together and the inside is out, so when I turn the seams back out through here, it's going to be the right side, and I'm going to stuff the pillow in there. But you have these corners here with this sharp point here that when you tuck it in, there's going to be a lot of material there. So all you want to do is when you have a corner like that, I'll try to get it, is just cut off the corner so there's not quite so much material coming in the corners when you go to turn it inside out, right side out. And there you have it. And then this pillow isn't done yet, but you won't have as much material here in the corner. And if you don't like it, because that you can see maybe that's not 100% square, you can take something that works really well is take a chopstick and just push it in the corner to push it out, or just something with a little bit of a point to push in there and push out the material so that you don't have that little bit of fold if you want it more square. And this pillow isn't done yet. I've done 3 sides and part of the 4th side, and then I had to stuff the pillow in, and then I will have to take this and I will have to hand stitch this to finish it.